It's my first day of the last year at Miranda House. And just saying that out loud brings back so many memories. There's a quietness to today, a moment to simply take it all in, to let it sink slowly, to feel every little thing before the day truly begins. I have followed this routine so many times: moisturizer, sunscreen, blush, lip balm, the same steps, the same little rush. But today, each small moment feels like it's quietly holding a memory. This jhumka, this bindi, they are not just accessories, they are gentle reminders of the ordinary moments that made this place feel like a home. And as I open my hair, take one last look in the mirror, and smile for a quick fit check, I realize it's not just about looking ready, it's about feeling ready for this first day of the last year. Bag on my shoulder, heart quietly full, and here we go. The road to Miranda House. The same as always, yet somehow different today. The greenery, the quiet corners, the simple beauty of North Campus, it all feels like a memory in motion today. And here I walk in, beating the social anxiety and recording in public for the very first time. एक बार मेरे vlog में hi बोल दो.
ये झुमका मस्त लग रहा है.
Thank you. That's our guard, Didi. Oh, yeah. At the end of this vlog, I'll be sharing a short story with you, which is very close to my heart. It's mainly a story about my Miranda manifestation journey, and Guard Didi has a small role to play in it. So stay till the end. We have to attend two classes today, and they're back to back. And I'm already getting late for one, so I better hurry up. Even walking these familiar paths today feels a little different, like each step has a memory tucked in it. Class done, and now taking a moment to just look around. It's funny how you notice little things when you pause: the sunlight falling, the quiet corners, the open spaces. Miranda House has a way of making even ordinary moments feel special, and I can't help but appreciate it all over again. Off to the next class, the corridors, the familiar chatter, the rhythm of the day, it all feels like a story I have been part of for years. Finally, moving towards the canteen, one of my favorite corners of the college. Not because the food is fancy, but because of the little moment it gives you. Sitting here, sipping coffee, taking it all in, it's a pause in the middle of a busy day. No offense to other colleges, but trust me, after visiting so many DU colleges for competitions, I still find Miranda's food the best. Simple, affordable, and comforting. Leaving the canteen now, and once again, I'm struck by how beautiful this place is. Every corner, every pathway, every little detail feels like it's quietly holding memories from all the years. And sometimes I pause here at the alumni board and imagine maybe one day my name will be up there too. It's little reminders like this that keep dreams alive, quietly whispering to keep aiming higher. Standing here, I realize how much this place has shaped me, not just as a student, but as someone who carry these memories with them long after the gates close. Okay, so as I promised, I have to tell you this little story. Back during COVID, when I was still in school, I came to see Miranda just once. The gates were closed, of course, but I literally begged Guard Didi to let me in for a few minutes. I wasn't even a student here then, just someone dreaming. And she said yes. I still remember how it felt. Walking inside for those few minutes, quietly looking around, just absorbing it all. And from that day onwards, I started manifesting to be in this place. And now it's my final year. This is a full circle moment for me, and I just want to say that manifestations do work, sometimes slowly, silently, but surely. So I'm just so grateful, and thank you, Miranda, for everything. Wait, here's a small takeaway from my end. Just a bonus advice from a final year if you stay till the end. And it is that whatever aspirations or dreams you came to college with, keep them alive. Don't let the rush of deadlines, attendance, and everyday chaos dim that spark. You came here for a reason, so hold on to it, protect it, and finally live it. Bye for now. See you soon.